Okay, what you're looking at is the third and final and somewhat underappreciated module for the balloon payload. This is a super low power transmitter for emergency recovery if both the other radio modules fail and we're at least somewhat close by. So on the first balloon, this is actually how we found it from the air. We were able to detect this beacon from about a mile away or so. So it's very important that we have this. It's a super simple circuit, and it basically will work for about a week or so. Very low power transmission. It doesn't tell us the location or anything, it's just a transmitter, and we track it down with antennas. So it'll go maybe about a mile and a half. So it's two NAND gates on one side and two NAND gates on the other. And so the NAND gates are in this. This is a 4011 logic chip here. This is the radio module, a transistor, and a couple other passive components. So the quad NAND gate they're all set up as inverters, all the gates. So they're flipping states back and forth based on this potentiometer and this capacitor. So you can see here. Frequency is about 700 hertz or so. So that's the first stage. The second stage, you'll see the capacitor is bigger, and this is because this is a much lower frequency. So this capacitor and this potentiometer, same thing, they're set up as an oscillator, and they're switching this transistor on and off. And this transistor is turning the whole entire transmit module on and off. So this signal, this part of the circuit here, feeds the tone, which you'll hear in a second, into the radio module. This part of the circuit here actually turns the radio module on and off. This way we can save power. If it's only on 50% of the time, you know, it's going to last twice as long. So we can turn it on here. And you'll see it's really annoying, so I'll turn it off. But that's basically what we hope to hear if we somehow lose the payload. So this is, again, really important part of the payload, kind of an ultimate backup. And what we're going to do here runs off of anything really between 5 and 12 volts. Closer to the 12 volt side, you get more power output. You can see the back here has quite a few connections, so what we're going to do is kind of just take the whole thing and dunk it in hot glue so that it'll be physically strong, and we don't have to worry about any water or any shorts or anything like that. So this is the third and final module for the balloon, and a very important one.